Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup prices in Europe bring a possible new surprise. The European prices for Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus may be somewhat lower than expected. The price of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly higher. At least, that's what the information that reached us suggested. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The time has come in mid-January. Samsung will launch the new Galaxy S24 lineup. Many technical details are known, and the first press images have also been leaked. But just as interesting is of course the prices of you will have to pay for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra models. Rumors from South Korean recently suggested that the prices of the Galaxy S24 will not differ much from those of the Galaxy S23 lineup in early 2023. According to the available data, you can buy the new Galaxy S24 with 128GB of storage option for €899, while you pay €959 for the 256GB model. The Galaxy S24 Plus with 256GB starts. The new Galaxy S24 Plus with 256GB of memory will start at €1,149, and the variant with 512GB of storage cost at €1,269. Last year, the Galaxy S23 with 128GB of memory had a suggested retail price of €949, while the Galaxy S23 Plus was available from €1,199. But more expensive Ultra model. Although with the new Galaxy S24 Ultra model, we see an opposite development. According to the same information, the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 256GB of memory will cost at €1,449. The recommended retail price for the Galaxy S23 Ultra with 256GB of memory was €1,399 at the beginning of 2023. Keep in mind that this year's Galaxy S24 Ultra model reportedly has a 12GB of RAM on board as standard. The Galaxy S23 Ultra with 256GB of memory has 8GB of RAM as standard. For the new Galaxy S24 Ultra with 512GB of storage, you will soon pay €1,569. The Galaxy S23 Ultra with 512GB of storage cost €1,579 at the beginning of 2023. With the same amount of RAM, the models have approximately the same prices. Not exactly the same prices everywhere in Europe. Of course, we must point out that the prices mentioned above will not be exactly the same everywhere in Europe due to local differences in, for example, taxes. The final prices may differ, but the general trend at Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus slightly cheaper and Galaxy S24 Ultra slightly more expensive is visible everywhere. According to the available data, the new Galaxy S24 lineup will officially launch at January 17 next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye. Peace out.